In this lesson, we're not necessarily going to learn any new skills as such, but we're going to learn a definition of a new number, e, and a natural logarithms, which is logarithms to the base e. So this number e, which you can get on your calculator by pressing Shift, then above this button that says ln, making e to the 1. So the number e is approximately equal to 2.718. So e is approximately equal to 2.718. And it's a number just like pi that has a special property. So you're not quite ready yet at this stage in the course to quite understand what I'm about to say, but I feel I should justify why e is a significant number. So e to the x has gradient e to the x. E to the x is a function whose gradient is exactly the same as the value of the function, and that's why the number e exists. It's the only such function that has gradient equal to the function itself. But I'll get rid of that for now. That's not relevant to what we're about to do. So e is a special number approximately equal to 2.718. And we've got this function here, ln, which we saw on the calculator, which you probably thought until now said in, but it says ln and stands for natural logarithm. And the natural logarithm of x is simply log to the base e of x. It means exactly the same thing, we just call it ln. So e is a number approximately equal to 2.718, and natural log of x, ln of x, means log to the base e. So let's have a look at a couple of questions. And as I said, we're not learning any new skills here, we're just applying these new definitions to skills we already know. So it says solve the following equations, giving your answer correct to three significant figures. E to the 2x plus 1 equals 4. What we're going to do, we're going to log both sides, but we're going to log both sides base e, i.e. natural log. So log base e of e to the 2x plus 1 equals natural log of 4. We've ln'd, natural logged both sides, which means that, well, log base e of e to the 2x plus 1 is just 2x plus 1. This is, what power do we give e to get e to the 2x plus 1? Well, we give it power 2x plus 1 equals natural log of 4. And sometimes you'll hear me just say log of 4. It's perfectly reasonable to say that. You'll know what base log I'm talking about just from the context of the question. Okay, so we've got 2x equals log 4 minus 1, which means that x equals log 4 minus 1 over 2 equals, let's put that in the calculator, so log of 4 minus 1 over 2 equals 0.193 to three significant figures. 0.193 is the answer. Next question. And again, this is a logarithmic equation. You learned how to do those in a previous lesson. The difference is we're using log base e now. So you might want to pause the video, have a go yourself. So combining those into a single term, using the subtraction rule, I get x minus 3 over 2x there, equals 5. And now we're ready to unlog. We can e both sides. That says log base e, so we should e both sides to undo that natural logarithm. So e to the log x minus 3 over 2x equals e to the power of 5. Which means that x minus 3 over 2x equals e to the 5. And if we now multiply both sides by 2x, we end up with x minus 3 equals 2x e to the 5, and getting all the x's on the same side, we get x minus 2x e to the 5 equals 3. Almost there. Taking out the x as a factor, like that, we get something that's very, very close to being solved. And we can see that x is attached to this complicated number, but it is still just a number, so we can divide by it, which means that x equals 3 over 1 minus 2e to the 5, and given the answer to 3 significant figures as requested, 3 over 1 minus 2e to the power of 5 is minus 0.0101. Minus 0.0101. And there's the answer to 3 significant figures. So no new techniques learned, just learning this definition of the number e and natural logarithm, which means log base e. So have a go at some of the questions.